Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix your Telegram bot if it is not working. Follow this tutorial step by step until the end to make sure everything is set up correctly. First, we do not need to open Telegram. Instead, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and look for Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it, then find Telegram in the list of installed apps. If you cannot find it, use the search bar at the top and type Telegram. Once inside the Telegram app settings, tap on Storage. Here, you will see two options. Tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing issues. Next, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, if available, and select Clear Local Database. This step ensures that any corrupted local files do not interfere with Telegram's functionality. Now, go back to the previous screen in the app settings. Look for Install Unknown Apps. Tap on it and make sure the option to allow installation from unknown sources is enabled. This setting is important if you installed Telegram from an APK file instead of the official store. Next, go to Permissions. Here, you will see a list of permissions that Telegram requires, such as access to storage, camera, microphone, and contacts. Make sure all the necessary permissions are enabled. If any permission is turned off, toggle it on. Now, open the Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type Telegram and open the app page. Check if an update is available. If you see an Update button, tap on it to install the latest version. If the app is already up to date, you can skip this step. Once you have completed all these steps, restart your phone. This will refresh the system and apply the changes. After restarting, open Telegram and check if your bot is now working. If the issue persists, you may need to check your bot's API settings or contact Telegram support for further assistance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.